Hello everyone and welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra. This is a very important video in which I have discussed a very important question based on alphanumeric sequence puzzle which will help you understand how to solve these type of questions in the exams. So let's have a look at the question. So in these type of questions you are given a sequence as you can see here R5 hash $3 MD and so on. This is the sequence that is given to you. And based on your observation and understanding of the patterns that are present in the sequence, you have to answer a set of questions that is given. So for this video, based on this sequence, we have a set of 6 questions. And yes, this is a previous year question which was asked in the SBI clerk exam for the year 2008. Which of the following is the 7th to the left of the 19th from the left end of the above arrangements? How to go about such questions in the exam without wasting any time? So let's have a look here. First of all, we have to find out which is the 19th element from the left. So 19th from the left. Let us count. We know that the left side is this is the left side, and the other side, this is going to be the right side of the sequence or the series. So counting from the left side, 1, 2, 3 and so on, if you count it, you will find that the 19th element is this. So this is the 19th element from the left. Now you have to find out which is the 7th to the left of this 19th element. 7th to the left. Now if you look at this element, this is face to face with you. So for finding out the 7th element from the left, you have to move in this direction. So this is the direction in which you have to move. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the 7th element towards the left of the element which was 19th from the left hand side. So the correct answer to this would be option C, which is the symbol with C in a circle. So yes, option C is the correct answer for this particular part of the question. Moving towards the second part of the question, you have to find out what should come next in the following series based on the above arrangement. So you have been given a series here and you have to find out what should be written here. So for this, we need to observe the trend. Let us observe the first letter, that is 5, P, 6 and the symbol. Let us mark it here. 5, then we have P, then we have 6 and then the symbol. If I observe this carefully, I find that there is a difference of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a difference of 5 between the subsequent elements, and here again if we find a difference of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we get? We get a U here. That means the first element of our answer should be U. Now let us check for the second element, 3, 4, W and 8. So let us mark it here. 3, 4, W and 8. Again I can see a difference of 5 again. So counting 8 from 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we get? We get an I here. So the second symbol here would be I. Now let us check for the third symbol in the same way. We have a dollar sign, then we have an F, J, Q. So let us change the color here so that the things don't get messed up. So we have a dollar sign here, we have an F, then we have a J and we have a Q. So again I can see a difference of 5. Again a difference of 5. We skip 5 elements and we go to the sixth one. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the sixth element here? Yes, It is the star sign. So what should be the third element of our answer? It should be this symbol of a star. So UI star, this is our answer, and that is option A. The third part of the same question, how many such consonants are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a letter and immediately followed by a number? So we have to look for consonants. What are consonants? Those alphabets which are not vowels. That is, if we leave A, E, I, O, U, all the other alphabets of English alphabet are known as consonants. So we have to look for consonants here. Let us first mark the consonants. R is a consonant, then I find M, D, P, F. A is a vowel, E is a vowel, so we skip those. Then we have W, J, then we have K, Q, then U is a vowel, we have T, and I is again a vowel, and then we have V. Now out of these, we have to find which of these is preceded by a letter and followed by a number. So R cancels out, M is not preceded by a letter, M is preceded by a letter but not followed by a number, so this is also skipped out. P is preceded by a letter and followed by a number. So yes, this is our first correct option. DPI, one, preceded by a letter and followed by a symbol. Then for F, no, because it's preceded by a number followed by a symbol. Then for W, again, before and after both are alphabets. Okay, then for J, preceded by a letter and followed by a number. So I find a second set here, WJ2. This is the second set which fulfills our condition. And after that, again, a symbol and a letter, a number and a number here. So yes, we have two such consonants which are preceded by a letter and followed by a number. So what should be our answer here? Our answer should be option C, that is 2. The fourth part of the question says, if all the symbols in the above arrangement are dropped, that means let us remove all the symbols. So let us remove all the symbols. So I put a cross on all the symbols so that you can understand this easily. I remove all the symbols here. Now, which of the following will be 16th from the right end? So this is the right end. Let us count the 16th element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So this is going to be our answer here, that is F. And do we have F as an option? Yes, we do have it. And option A, that is F, will be our answer. In the fifth part of the question, how many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is preceded by a number and followed by a consonant? So this time we have to look for symbols which are preceded by a number and followed by a consonant. So let us first mark all the symbols. So how many symbols do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one more here, 7. So we have 7 symbols here. We have to find out of these 7, which we have to find which of these symbols is preceded by a number and followed by a consonant. So obviously this is not the answer. Preceded by a number followed by a consonant. Yes, I guess this is the correct one here, first one. Let us check if we have any more such correct options here. So this is also ruled out. 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 And this is also ruled out. So we have just one correct answer, correct pair here which satisfies the condition given to us in the question. So the answer would be option B, that is 1. Moving to the last part of the question, how many such vowels are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a symbol and followed by a number? So we have to look for vowels this time, and the vowel needs to be preceded by a symbol and followed by a number. Let us first look for the vowels. Where is the vowel here? Okay, where do you see a vowel? Okay, we have a vowel here, that is A. Then we have an E. Do we have an I? Yes, we do have an I. But let us go in sequence. So we have a vowel here that is U, and we have another vowel here that is I. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and these are the vowels we have in our sequence. You have to find out of these which is immediately preceded by a symbol and followed by a number. So I can find the first one here. In the second one, it's preceded by a number. So this is not satisfying the condition. Here it's preceded by a symbol and it's not followed by a number. So this is also not satisfying the condition, and same goes here, preceded by a alphabet. So this is also not satisfied. Again, what is the answer? We have only one such pair. That is option B will be our answer. So I hope you've understood the question well. You can expect many more questions of the same type in your exams. The question may carry 4 parts, 5 parts or 6 parts. And if you want to practice more such questions, get access to our PDF, which is available on our website, as well as you can contact us on the phone number 9896369963. You can just give us a message if you want the PDF, and we'll share the PDF link with you. 9896369963. This is our WhatsApp number, using which you can get access to our PDF on this particular topic. So thanks for watching this, and in case you liked it and found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button, and do share your views in the comment section below. And yes, if you liked the contents of our channel, please subscribe to it if not done yet, and also share the links with your friends so that they too can benefit from this.